Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today, in this lecture, I'm going to continue from the point where last time I stopped. Here, I have, divided this page to two parts, one on the right side and one on the left side. And if you have followed my lectures from starting lectures, you must know that you must be well versed, knowing that on the left side we have world, on the right side we have paradise. So let's get started now. We have two types of integrals, as you know, from mathematics: definite integral and indefinite integral. And in this world there is existence of the definite integral, and if I integrate this universe within limits from creation up to day of judgment, it will give us worldly life, and all the substances support the life of man in this world. And on the right hand side we have got indefinite integral. Why? Because indefinite integral, it is the contrasting point, contrasting term of definite integral. And if I integrate hereafter within limits from day of judgment up to infinity, we will get y plus c. And this y, what is the value of this y? It is paradise. And what is this constant of integration? Since this integration is infinite, it is indefinite integral, it must have the constant of integration, as you know in the calculus, integral calculus. And what is the value of this c? We have y plus c. Y is Jannat and c is God. It is God. There must be some place where everything is infinite, that is Jannat. In the integral, we have the constant of integration, and its value must be something which is infinite, which is constant, not infinite, which is constant, but it is God. Okay, you can see it here. If you can see, if you can appreciate this work. Okay. Now, let me continue here on the next page. In this world, probability. Now, let's take the help of probability, the concept of probability, in proving the existence of the paradise. In this world, probability of any event is never one. Probability, it can be from 0 up to 1, but this is, this probability of event is never equal to 1. But there must be some place where probability of event must be 1, and that implies if you wish to have an apple of any color, any size, any design, any taste, it is possible in the paradise. Well, it sounds pretty cool. Now, as is evident from logical reasoning about probability of event is 1, well, you will exactly get what you wish. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. Now let's take another point on the left side. There is loss of everything in this world. So this loss, the term loss comes here into the picture. There is loss of everything in this world. Suppose a man, he gains lot of wealth in this world by hard work or by luck, but ultimately he dies and everything is lost. So there is loss of everything in this world. But there must be, on the contrary side, there must be some place to have only gain, and that is possible in the paradise. So there must be some place. And what is that place? That's paradise, your paradise. And last point, but not the least, I'm going to continue here in the next lecture. In this world, we have imperfection. There are loopholes. Nothing is, complete in its perfection. But there must be some place to have perfection in everything, and that is in the paradise. So these two terms, imperfection and perfection, these are the contrasting terms as the North Pole and South Pole, negative charge and the positive charge. These, imperfection in this world, it does exist. You know it better. And perfection, the contrary term to this term, imperfection, the contrary term is perfection. It cannot come into existence as such. There must be some place which is perfect, and that is paradise. Okay, thank you for being with me. I am going to continue in the next lecture, and I'm going to tell you that how to prove paradise. I have so many lectures to you. You have to, wait and watch. Okay, Allah Hafiz.